Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this 20-volt brushless leaf blower. I just got this, so I'm going to get it opened up with you real quick, show you what comes in the box, and then we're going to test it out. All right, so it comes with the motor here. It has a nice large handle and an easy to press trigger. And there's even a little trigger lock over here, so you don't have to hold that down the entire time. It's such a great little size, very lightweight. It has the little feet on the bottom here, so if you do sit it down, it's gonna stand upright. And then you get the little extension piece. This very easily attaches and just locks in place by twisting. So super lightweight and easy to handle. Gonna be perfect for light jobs around your house. And then you get a little user guide. Now this is compatible with your DeWalt 20-volt batteries, 4 amp hour and up. So if you have one of those batteries, all you have to do is get that attached and you are good to go. Let me show you how well it works. So there you have it. I think it works great. You just have to make sure that you have the appropriate battery for this. If you guys were looking for an easy, lightweight leaf blower for small tasks around your home, this is a great option. I would definitely give it a try.